What's the meaning of budget account? Budget account. Budget account.
Budget account. Budget account. A budget account is an account used to track a company's or individual's spending and ensure that they do not exceed their allocated budget. When a budget account is used, the user can monitor their spending habits and make adjustments if necessary to stay within their budget limits. Additionally, budget accounts can help users identify areas where they could potentially save money. By tracking their expenses and comparing them to their budget, individuals and companies can make more informed financial decisions and ultimately reach their financial goals.